Hey, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the fresh food section LED light on your LG refrigerator. If you are experiencing issues like a dim or flickering light inside your fridge, or if the light isn't turning on at all, it might be time to check and replace this part. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance repair guides. Let's get started and brighten up your fridge. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a multimeter. And remember, safety comes first. Always unplug your refrigerator or switch off the breaker before starting any repairs. The LED lights are located inside the clear plastic lens at the top of the fresh food section. It consists of 2 LED strips and a temperature sensor harnessed to a plug. The lights are making your life easier in the dark of the night when you are choosing snacks so you, God forbid, won't get a sugar-free one. Let's open both doors. To get to the light, we need to remove the light lens. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove 2 screws. Pull the lens down and slide it forward. So we will need to check for approximately 12 volts DC between those 2 double wires, the blue and the black, which would be on the plug number 2 and 3. So next we're going to unplug this. The tab is at the back. At this point, we'll need to plug the fridge in or switch the breakers on. We are going to use a multimeter to do the live voltage test. Extreme care should always be taken to protect against electrical shock, which could potentially result in serious injury. Please do not test live voltage if you are uncomfortable using a multimeter around live voltage. Set the multimeter to the volts DC, letter V with the 2 lines at the top, and insert the meter probes into the plugs number 2 and number 3 openings at the bottom row. If the meter reads around 12 volts DC, your LED light is defective and must be replaced. If the reading is way off or there is no voltage at all, the control board is bad. Our LED light failed the testing. We're going to bring the lens assembly to the workable surface. Slide the wireless end of one of the light strips out of the bracket. Turn the opposite end of the strip to free it from the clip. Repeat the procedure and free the second strip. Follow the harness and release it from all the retainers using a small flat blade screwdriver. Release the temperature sensor. This is the old LED light next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Here's how the new LED light goes in. Slide the wireless ends in. Push in to lock the opposite ends and run the harness under the retainers using the flat blade screwdriver. Install the temperature sensor, bring the assembly and plug it in. Insert the rear clips into the cutouts. Leave the front and lock the central pin. Secure the lens with a couple of Phillips screws. Plug the fridge in and check the lights. Close the doors and wipe your sweat off. Great job lighting up your LG refrigerator. We'd love to hear how your repair went. Share your experience in the comments below. If you discover you need a new LED light, just grab your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com to get a new one. Most orders will arrive in just a few days, making it easy to keep your fridge shining bright. Thank you for letting us guide you through this repair, and we look forward to help you with your next project.